Hi everyone, it's Sarah. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to unbox these Merry Moments from Spellbinders. So let's have a look inside. Okay. So lots of goodies. So we've got card blanks and envelopes, cardstock, foil paper, a 6x6 40 sheet paper pad, die cut shapes, sentiments, chipboard embellishments, sticker sets, clear stamps, wax seal embellishments, sequins, foam stickers, foam squares and adhesive tape. So let's have a look. So obviously our foam, nice quality cards and envelopes. That's your A2. That's your 5x7. Bag of sequins. And then we've got the stamps. Quite nice. Oh, these are pretty. Stickers. Faux wax seal stickers. Those. We'll open these up in a second. And you've got some foamy stickers, chipboard stickers, paper pads. Okay, so got white, pinks, 2 sheets, pinks, reds, blues, greens, like a gold, black, nice quality. Let's open the paper pads. So you've got 40 sheets, 20 designs, including 6 foils. So we have, that's pretty. Some lovely papers. One of the foiled sheets. That's pretty. Another foil design. And that one's nice, which if you didn't want to use it as a piece of paper, you could cut these elements out and use those as embellishments as well. And then we're back to the beginning. That's that. So let's have a look at these chipboards. So you have all of those. And you've got some nice frames on that one. And what we've got in here. So stickers, nice big sentiments. And that one as well. That's quite pretty. And then what we've got in this pack. There's loads in this. Okay, so these are all stickers as well. Nice. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strips of stickers there. That's those. And then we've got the 2 lots of embellishments, which you get, normally you get 2 of each. Pretty bow, Santa, little flags, some baubles, some little houses, some trains, hot air balloon, that's quite pretty, Christmas tree. Oh, there's loads to choose from. That's those. Put that over there for a second. And then this packet. We've got, it's nice. 2 of those, they're quite pretty. List. Some of these as well. Loads of foiled sentiments, little cards, some tags. That's quite cute. And then you've got more sentiments. There's 2 in there. Can't break those off. Quite nice. Christmas tree. So you've got banners, you've got strips. All your wishes come true. You've got tickets. So some more tags. Loads and loads of bits and pieces. So this is quite an extensive kit. Okay, so and then obviously you've got your sequins and your cards and your envelopes. Right, so I'm going to clear up and I'm going to start pulling out bits and pieces and make some quick cards. So I'll probably put some music on and then I'll come back on and we'll talk through what I've made. alongside the large collection, there's a couple of extra bits as well. So you've got the gifting bow, which is really pretty, and again that can be used all year round. So I mean, change the flowers. You've got this lovely Christmas cameo embossing folder. I just want to show you how deep the emboss is on that. And then you've also got the petite crisscross better press plate, which obviously you can foil excuse me, you can foil as well. So I just want to go through the cards that I've made. So we have that one, that one, that one, another. And that's using that bow die. And one, and then that's the last one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.